It is time to file your biennial report. If you are in Iowa, you have to do this every 2 years if you have a registered business like an LLC, a corporation, or a nonprofit. If you are an LLC, you must do it every odd numbered years, and this is 2025, so this is the year for LLCs. If you are a corporation or other registered entity, you do it even numbered years. If you do not do your biennial report, the Secretary of State will mark your business as inactive, which essentially means that it is no longer authorized to do business and receive limited liability protections. We want to take this very seriously because your LLC or corporation oftentimes serves the purpose of protecting your personal assets from your business risks. So if you get a lawsuit or some other claim against your business, you do not want to be personally liable. And that happens when your LLC or corporation acts like a wall of protection. If the state marks your business as inactive because you didn't do what's needed to keep it active, then you no longer get liability protection. That's not good. It's very easy to do your biennial report. Many people do it on their own, but a lot of people are a little unsure of how to do it. Each year I try to do a couple free live events where people can join and get help. If you missed that, this video is for you. The first thing we do is we go to the Secretary of State website, which is sos.iowa.gov, and you can see here that that's where I'm at. Right here we can choose online filing. I'm just going to mouse over it and I'm going to scroll down to fast track filing. However, you will see that there is also a special link that says biennial report filing. It's the same thing. They go to exactly the same place. Once you come here, then you will want to log in. It's very possible you do not have an account. That's fine. Instead, you would want to create an account. This is easy, but do note that it takes a couple minutes because they will send you a verification email. And so you need to wait for that email to come. In my experience, it does take maybe 5 minutes for that email to come. The username and password set up and you verified your email address, then you come back and log right in. What we want to do is we want to file a business document. There is a nice large blue button right over here on the side that you can use, or you can come up here to file a document. The top half of this file is for new entities. We are not going to do that. Instead, we're going to scroll down about halfway to existing entities. Now, I'm going to pause for just a second and explain a little bit about what is involved in a registered agent application. And so I'm going to back up for a moment and go to the Secretary of State website that we are going to file the biennial report for. This is a business that I set up, and its information is out of date. And so my law firm used to be called New Legal PLC. We did business as Iowa Business Lawyer. We have since changed it to Surge Business Law PLLC. Also, this is the old address in Ankeny where the office started, and our new office address is in Johnston. Likewise, there is no home office address, and for LLCs now the state requires this information to be filled in. And so I'm just drawing your attention to this in that the purpose of filing the biennial report is to make sure your information is up to date, and my information is not up to date. You might find the same with yours. And so when we file the biennial report, we might need to make a couple additional changes. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So first of all, I can click on File a Biennial Report, and then I search for my business name, or if I happen to know my ID number, I can search for that. And so I get to preview my business information, and you'll see when I mouse over this that it is not editable. So this information is incorrect, and I cannot change it on this screen. I can change the principal office, and so I will do that in a moment, but and it is required now. So if you set up your LLC before 2024, you very likely didn't have to enter this information, but it is now required. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to change the registered agent and the registered office. So I come back to existing entities and I scroll down to change of registered agent. And you'll notice there is no fee to do this part. This top section here shows you what the registered agent currently is. However, I want to change it. So I come down here and I'm going to type in the registered agent. If you do not have a registered agent or a registered office that you like to use, or if you're currently using your home address, please reach out. You can come to surge.law. We do offer registered agent service to our clients. So because we have already registered with the state as a registered agent service, then all I had to do was put in that information. And I don't know why I did that. So this will let me change the office address, which was incorrect because it was blank. And so I'm going to say that it's the same. And now I have to swear that I am authorized to make this change. I am. And you'll see that there is no fee for this part of the change. There will be soon. And this is important. A lot of times people come to this page and they think they're done because it looks like it's done. You're not done yet. This is just to review your changes. Okay. Congratulations, it is successful. I'm going to go back to File a Document. I'm going to scroll down, and now I'm going to do my biennial report. Notice here that because it's an LLC, there is going to be a $30 fee. The nice thing is unlike most things in life in the last 2 years, the price for that went down. Okay, apparently this has not updated yet. Does the limited liability company hold an interest in agricultural land in Iowa? Iowa cares deeply about protecting farmers and its land, and so you do have to answer this question. I do not. Is the limited liability company a family farm limited liability company? Mine is not. So then I have to sign this as authorized party for the company. And now I'm going to click Review and Pay. Okay, again, attention, this filing is not complete. All right, so I'm going to look. So that information will update soon. I'm going to add to cart. Now, this filing has been added to the cart. We are not done yet. You have to click Finish and Checkout. Now, I happen to have a credit card on file with the Secretary of State. You probably do not. And so therefore, instead of seeing this on your screen, you're going to have the option to enter a payment. It's going to bounce you over to a different web page when you do that. And so it's not hard to do. You follow the instructions and walk through it. You will receive the receipt as a thing on your screen that you can print out, or you can also choose to download it. So I am going to choose. And we are now done. Once you've done this, you have filed your biennial report and you are set. If you have any questions, please reach out to my team. If you're watching this on social media, leave a comment. We're happy to answer your questions. We do watch our social media account and we'd be happy to reply there.